Right here, we got the Eufy permanent outdoor light, the E120. This thing is awesome. You got 100 feet of light. This can be used outdoor, IP67, rain, dust, waterproof. This thing has 55,000 hour life, and you can do all these customized AI lighting effect. It looks awesome. RGB with 16 million colors. Let's open this up. Eufy permanent outdoor light E120. Home is where you shine out the brightest. Whoa, look at that. We got 6 of these, and each of these are 16.4 feet of light. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You also got the user manual right here, the E120, and you have your accessories over here. You have your positioning cards, so you can know how to space them out with your positioning card right here. You also have your 3M adhesive and some clips and screws. So you can use the included 3M adhesive. The 3M right here is really strong. It will attach onto wood, concrete, metal, and plastic. But for permanent installation, they do have clips so that you can screw them on and clip them for a very permanent and secure installation. So you have all this right there for the installation. Of course, you got the wiring component. So you're probably wondering, how do they wire up? So let's see how they wire up. You got this wiring component and you have this wiring component over here. This is everything you get in the entire kit. So how does the lighting work? Well, this is your main unit. So let's plug this in and get some power onto our lights. So this is the power cord for the power adapter. This one outputs 54 watt right there. So we're gonna connect this to our wall, and then we have these wiring here. This will connect to this node, and then this node will connect. Okay, so you have an extension. So you have your power adapter that connects to your wall. Then you have the Eufy on-off button, and then this will connect to your lights, and you have an extension if you want to extend it. Or you can connect it directly to your lights, like so. So let's go ahead and connect this one to this node right here. And they're water sealed, they're IP67, so when you tighten it down, you see you have a gasket that seals it really, really, really well, right? And then you have this that will tighten it in and screw it together like so. Wow, that's a very solid installation. So now it's connected to this 16.4 feet of lights. And then from here, you can extend it, right? You can use this end right here to extend it. Now, if you're not gonna extend it, you can cap it off and tie it away like this. Or you can extend it to the next one. So we can go ahead, for example, extend it to this one over here. And we can extend all 6 of them together. So let me extend to this one right there. And then from this one, we can extend to this one over here and just make a whole series of lights. So this one will connect to here, connect in, and twist because this is IP67, so they will tighten really well like so. And then this one, we can connect over to this one and continue the path. Over here, there's arrows so you know which way they line up, and they just tighten in like so. And this one has this piece right here. Tighten that up like so. All right, so far we've wired 4 of them. There's 2 more. Let's just wire everything so we can see all of our light in effect. So this is this one right here. The cables look like that. And then there's arrows so you know how they line up. Push them in. They have a little gasket for watertight seal. And then this ties in really well like so. And then we have one last string over here. So let's connect this one to this string and the last one right there. So total is 100 feet of light. And each of these segments are 16.4 feet. And then they connect like that. So you can have the extension if you need to, but we don't need the extension for now. And then we're gonna plug this into our outlet and power it up. 2-prong plug right here that we're gonna connect to our outlet. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that, they're lighting up already. So you have the one button right here. You can push this button to turn it off or push it to turn it on. And you have the Eufy Life app. So let me show you the Eufy Life app and sync them up to our lights. Eufy Life app, and I can go ahead and add a device. Let me go add device. I can add string lights, light strings. It tells me connect all the light string together, then connect them to the control box and the power adapter. Plug in the power supply to verify that each light string is working. All right, go ahead and long press for 2 seconds until the device flashes with 3 times. So we're gonna push this until it flashes 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now flash 3 times. Okay, it detected the light already. Connect to it, it's scanning. Oh, look at that. Now we're synced up. So what's it doing now? Bring the phone closer to the device. Why does it want me to bring the phone close to device? Scanning, connect to device. All right, so it says add successfully. You can give it a name or just use that. You can use deploy Wi-Fi or use Bluetooth control. Either choice. We can use Bluetooth right now. So right now they're connected by Bluetooth. You can also connect it by Wi-Fi. So two ability to connect. You can change the brightness now. So if you look at all of our lights, we can adjust the brightness. We can lower the brightness or make it super bright like that. Right? And you can adjust any brightness in between. So very easy to adjust the light. Let's turn off our lights and we can see how they really look. All right, so those are the lights right there. We can turn on and off the lights with the app just like so. Super easy. Now we can tap into here and we can do all these effects. We have a magic dice, which will randomize it for us and give us an effect. Look at that, look at that. Look how beautiful these lights are. And each of these lights, they have an RGB light inside and each of them have a white light. So dual light on each one. So right now we have the dice. We also have the ambience mode right here. They have all these different modes. Like you can have, this one is New Year. We got Mardi Gras. So all of these effects are just awesome. You got the Valentine's Day effect right there. You got, whoa, which one is this one? Washington Day. See, you can have a lot of fun with all these modes right here, right? You have April Fool's Day. You see those lights right there. And then you got St. Patrick's Day right here. You got Easter. So many different modes of lights. Beautiful lights. And these are outdoor permanent lights, so you can install them and use them year round for like Thanksgiving. This is Thanksgiving. You can use it for Christmas. You can use it for Halloween. You can use it for Hanukkah. You can use it for whatever day you want. You can have some daily settings right here. You can set it up. You can customize the light. You can turn on and off individual light. Change the frequency like this. You can do static mode. You can do all these different modes right here. And you can just have a lot of fun. There's a mode right here where you can just say, make my kids happy, for example, right? And it's just gonna create a lighting effect to make your kids happy. Or maybe UFO mode. You can use the AI to type in whatever you want. For example, let's go ahead and type in a description, waterfall rainbow, for example, and we generate that. And it's gonna work and it's gonna generate for us a waterfall rainbow. Look at that. Now it's an effect of a waterfall and it's doing like a rainbow effect. Look how it would be if you wire this in your home. You can see the effect would be like this. It's like a waterfall. It's following each other. Very cool, right? So you can imagine you can have so much fun with the AI, or you can just do the magic dice and it will just pick a random one for you, whatever effect it wants. Oh, that's like a blinking light. Look, you can see the effect. How cool is that? That is very cool. You can do a magic dice again. I'll pick a different one for you. Let's go try a magic dice again. And now let's see what else it got right there. So this one is kind of a glowing one. Magic dice again. So look, different patterns. You have many different effects that you can play with. So very beautiful lighting effects. So there we go, guys. These are going to be your Eufy E120 lights. They are spectacular, awesome, beautiful lights you can use outdoor for permanent installation right here. Oh yeah.